Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. So in this video I am going to talk about two most important terms used in the physics. So what are those two important terms? These are nothing but distance and displacement. Okay, so these two are most popular and also very important for the physics. Those who are interested in physics, then you can watch this video peacefully, because this video is going to be very informative and also very important for you guys. Let's start the video without taking much time. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is a distance. Then we will talk about the displacement, and then we will compare between distance and displacement in a very proper manner. Okay, so distance is nothing but it is the length of path traveled by a body while moving from one point to another point. That point are nothing but initial and final point. Okay, so distance is a length. Okay, it is a path which is traveled by a body while moving from an initial position to a final position. It means complete length of the path between any 2 points is called as a distance. So here you can see in the image also the complete length to move from point 1 to point 2, that is nothing but the complete length is called as the distance. Okay, so distance is generally it is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it only has the magnitude. So distance is a scalar quantity because in this distance we can only find the magnitude, but we cannot find any type of direction in this. Okay, so this is why it is a scalar quantity, and distance is a measure always positive. Always distance will be positive. The measured value of distance will be positive always, and the SI unity of the distance is nothing but that is in meter. Okay, so this is all about the distance. So now let's talk about what is a displacement. So displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of a body which is traveled between 2 points. Okay, so displacement is the shortest distance. It means the direct length between any 2 points when measured along the minimum path between them. Okay, between 2 points the minimum distance will be called as the displacement. Here you can see in the image also this is the displacement. Okay, so displacement is also it is a vector quantity because it is having both magnitude and as well as direction, so that's why it is a vector quantity. Remember this thing, distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Okay, so displacement can be positive as well as negative, and also it can be zero depending upon the traveling or the referring point. Okay, so in case of distance it is generally the value of distance is always positive, but in case of displacement it can be both positive as well as negative, and also it can be zero. Okay, so here, so the SI unity of displacement is in meter. Always it is measured in meter. Okay, so the SI unity is meter, and this is the complete information about the distance and displacement and also the differences between them. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.